Hello everyone, my name is Dominic, and today again we're going to take a look into the Scripture Nugget slash doctrinal database application that I'm working on, and we're going to continue from where we left off. Let's go ahead and jump in. There we go. So I do a little bit of work here, and pretty much we were looking at, let's go ahead and get rid of this. Pretty much we were looking at the nuggets and seeing how we can connect them through tags. There probably is a way to do it, but there's a lot that goes into it. So what I'm thinking is that there are two options. So one, I already made a little bit of changes here. I haven't refreshed the database or anything because I tried to do some testing and didn't finish it yet. You would pretty much have a denomination ID, religion ID, doctrine ID, but I realized that there can be multiple of them. So there are two ways of doing this. So there's either one, we do it the Laravel way, which is through I believe a many-to-many relationship, kind of like the taggables. Instead it would be called nuggetable. And that'll connect the nugget to a specific type. But there's two tables for it, so that's my only issue. Or there's actually something called, let's see if I can find it. It's called Laravel JSON relationships. This is a package by, I'm probably going to say his name wrong, Stoldenmir. Pretty much you can make a relationship with JSON fields. So if it's an array of IDs, it'll query those in a eager loaded way, instead of making separate tables and doing it through a different relationship. It can just be a field on the row itself that has multiple IDs of what we want, and it will just query them the way we'd want it. So those are two ways. I'm not sure which one's more proficient, which one's more efficient as far as speed. I've used this package before, but I believe I'm just gonna do it says query performance. Yeah, it looks like I'm just gonna have to do the Laravel way. So a nuggetable. Let's see if I can get that working. So we're gonna add that as we find PHP Storm right there. We're gonna have to do that. Again, I haven't made any changes, but there's gonna have to be new migrations anyways. So let's go ahead and do that. So we look at this documentation again, and we look at a many-to-many. More many, I think it was. Here we go. So pretty much same structure. So we have nuggetable. So nuggets, it just needs an identifier. Okay, so we'll make a model. Yes. Wait, I did that wrong. got the colons mixed up. Okay. And I believe I already made some relationships. I can go ahead and erase that. And we will replace that later. Because the problem that I had is that I had it connected only to one, when really nuggets can cover multiple doctrines or multiple religions and denominations. So that's another reason why I'm doing this, and it makes sense to do it the same way. So looks like I didn't need anything extra here. No. Okay. So nuggets will be the same. Cool. Timestamp, and we will do actually we don't need an ID either. So we'll do table ID. Okay, negative ID, negative 5, negative ID. Okay, that's underneath for that. Yeah, doesn't look like we need anything else. As far as anything to do with nuggets and adding things to there. Only in the inverse of the relationships. Okay, so we will do relationships. Yeah, more die many and be nuggetable. Or too many. I'll get the hang of this sometime. So nuggets, this would not be as many. You actually need to okay, looks like we do. Okay. it. Tags. Morph too many. Okay. Still morph too many. It's a funny word, nuggetable. Anyways, so we got denomination down. Now we need doctrine and religion. Yeah. Alrighty, and I believe there doesn't need to be anything. It's like the third time I checked. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yep, so that is done. Okay. Now we can move on to factories. So we'll go ahead and make a user factory. So I believe we already have one of those. So database. There we go. Database factories, user factory. Okay, everyone's password is password. That's totally fine. And why didn't I just search it? Okay. So it looks like everyone needs a faith. Everyone needs a first and last name, gender, username. Yep, that's not bad. But we do need to change this. Actually, we need to do gender first. I believe all these should be methods rather than properties. Okay, first name, last name, gender, username. Let's see if they have that. Yep, yes they do. Country ISO code. I'll just put everyone in the US. Whatever that is. Thinking we should probably have a database for that, or some kind of constant in somewhere, users, something like that. We'll figure it out. Okay, and our faith ID. For now. And to make sure they init with a relationship or with a faith, we can check the documentation. Ah, okay. So these are talking about seeders, but I'm thinking factories in specific. Unless the seeder does something different, which I believe factories just issue out a user one at a time, in which we need automatically when creating one, a faith relationship. In the definition, without having to add a state, because everyone needs a faith. So looks like this isn't working for him. So this looks like a good link. So come back to that one. Running seeds. I guess it's gonna have to be after. Let's see if there's any. Okay, looks like there is. Okay, looks like we'll need to make a faith factory as well, which we already have. Let's just go ahead and do that. It's a lot harder than I thought, considering we have to, these things depend on each other. Let's do 1 for now. 0. Now we need to find out if a religion even has a denomination. Just to get null. Seems about right. And this should return a time. Oh, these are about strings. We're using PHP 8. I hope so. Oh, of course. There's no need for it. And we'll do. user ID. We have to take that too. Okay, that seems about right. Now I just have to figure out how are we gonna fake the religion, denomination, and user, unless we start using states. Yeah. It's weird. I probably have to research this a little bit more. But either way, we're just going to leave those at zeros for now, and we're going to have to figure out if we even need to or how to do so. So we got those two down at least. So we have faith. Technically has to be, I guess it doesn't have to be. I was thinking it would have to be before or after the user's faith, but it technically doesn't really matter, so we'll do faker in between. values. I don't get what the error is here. Am I expected assign? Okay. Oh, okay. I think it's the. There we go. Expected variable. What? Huh. Okay. So that's supposed to be. Okay. Looks like that's good for now. Tags and taggable. I'm not quite sure how to do those. I'm sure this would be done through the faker relationship set to automatically create these, but it's not too well versed in these. So we'll skip down to doctrine for now. Whoops. Looks like we have an error somewhere. What is the error? Unexpected array. I'm assuming you can't strong type constants, so we'll just leave that alone. Is the number 700 0 so it would be maybe 10 million. Maybe this one would have to be stored as a JSON. Do we have enough prescriptions? Huh. scriptures. It would have to be, as far as faking it, like some kind of increment of verses. But then there might be, there's a range between what and what for each book. I'll have to do some kind of validation of data. So that would go under a scripture test. Well, obviously that'll come with the selection, but also if there's going to be some kind of API source, there's no real way to control it other than just making sure if it's this book, this is how many chapters, this is how many verses of this. Actually, we could just do, I'll figure it out. It's going to be something to think about. Okay. Back to doctrine. We'll just leave that as random. I'll just leave it at that. And for that, what did we? Is that a JSON? No, it's just strings. It should probably be a JSON. So we will do, but then, and we have to make another relationship out of scripturable. Unless we do the JSON eloquent relations package. But then we might not have to. I don't know. We'll make it JSON still, so we'll do that is JSON, the many ranges. Religion. should we technically have a denomination? That's a good question. But the nuggets and attackables, they're pretty much the same way. So handling a factory for those, I'll do a little bit more research on as we approach 55 minutes in this video. So we'll go ahead and leave it at that for now. I know it was not much and probably took longer than expected, but here's what we have. There we go. Let me go ahead and stop this music. I want to thank all you guys for watching this video, and it's a fun project again, just being able to figure out different ways to connect views or perspective to a specific doctrine or religion or denomination. It's a really useful tool, kind of handy. I had this idea, as I mentioned in the very beginning of this series, that I could connect a database of information to specific things that maybe the traditional website doesn't have. So that's my idea for this. And for all of you who are watching who want to study the Bible, please reach out to me. Comment either on the YouTube video in the description, or follow me or message me, direct message me on Instagram or Twitter, whatever is the most comfortable for you. I can find someone in your area who speaks your language to study the Bible so that you can learn what it means to be a true Christian. And for those of you who believe already, you know, Proverbs 27:17 says, "Iron sharpens iron, so we must sharpen one another." We can also learn from that experience, so don't be afraid. You know, I definitely been there once where I believed and I still study the Bible. So hope that helps you out there, and I hope you guys study the Bible to become true disciples. And for the disciples out there, hope this really helps you in the programming space somehow, some way, or if you just enjoyed watching the video. Thank you guys for watching the video. Have a good day.